Bevel is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the cutting or shaping of an object at an angle other than a right angle. This process is commonly used in the production of gears, shafts, and other mechanical components that require a precise fit and function. Beveling can be done using a variety of tools, including saws, grinders, and milling machines, and can be performed on a wide range of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. The beveling process is critical in ensuring that mechanical components fit together properly and function as intended. By creating a precise angle on the edge of a component, beveling allows for a smooth transition between parts, reducing the risk of wear and tear and improving overall performance. Beveling can also be used to create decorative edges on objects, such as picture frames or furniture. At Berkness Company, a manufacturing company specializing in custom metal fabrication, beveling is an essential part of our production process. We use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to create precise bevels on a wide range of metal components, including gears, shafts, and brackets. Our team of skilled technicians has years of experience in beveling and other metal fabrication techniques, ensuring that every component we produce meets the highest standards of quality and precision. If you are interested in learning more about beveling and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on our website. Our team is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. Whether you are looking for a custom metal fabrication solution or simply want to learn more about the services we offer, we are here to help. Contact us today to get started. FAQs. 1. What is a bevel in manufacturing? A bevel is a type of angled cut or edge that is commonly used in manufacturing to create a specific shape or design. Bevels can be found on a variety of products, including gears, tools, and furniture. 2. What are the benefits of using bevels in manufacturing? Bevels can provide several benefits in manufacturing, including improved functionality, increased strength and durability, and enhanced aesthetics. For example, beveled gears can provide smoother and more efficient power transmission, while beveled edges on furniture can create a more polished and refined look. 3. What are the different types of bevels used in manufacturing? There are several different types of bevels used in manufacturing, including straight bevels, spiral bevels, and hypoid bevels. Straight bevels are the most common type and are used for simple angled cuts, while spiral and hypoid bevels are more complex and are used for more specialized applications, such as in automotive and aerospace manufacturing. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.